Hey guys, here we're going to use Tinkercad so we can make a servo motor or a DC motor work in a way that it's going to reach 180 degrees at full speed, and it will return to 0 degrees at half or lower speed. So we're going to use this online application, and well, first you have to set the wires and also put in the right order. So here you have the servo motor. I am calling this servo prime, and well, here you have the connections to the ground and to 5 volts, and also to the 9 outline of Arduino that is connected directly to the pin that called signal from the servo motor. And well, this little exercise is going to be accomplished by using this library servo.h. This library lead us to make the servo move in a direction and then start moving into another direction. And well, here we have the code in the right side of the screen, where we can find that servo prime is inside a loop where the integer I is equal to 0, and then the servo prime goes to 180 degrees with a delay of 1000 milliseconds, and then it starts to decreasing in a rate of 1. So at the end the servo prime will delay like 40 milliseconds. And well, I'm going to show you right now. Check out this. The servo motor goes to 180 degrees and then returns to 0 degrees at a lower speed. And that's it, how it works. Thanks so much.